if you want to install loklok on your Google TV, then here's how to do it.
To install loklok on your Google TV is that it is actually not possible, but it will be possible with the help of the third-party app. So on your Google TV, go to your Play Store and install Downloader by AFTV News. From there, you should also navigate to your settings, go to Security and Restrictions and Unknown Sources, then turn it on for the Downloader app. Next, you should download the APK, open Downloader, enter a trusted APK link with the loklok.tv.com or APK Mirror and hit go to download. So with this link right here, which is the loklok-tv.com, you can be able to install your loklok on your Google TV. So once it finishes downloading, then it will install the prompt it will install, then the prompt will appear. Select install, then done. And you can now launch it and use it.